Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a pipeline on the HubSpot CRM. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard, but I'll be going over into the CRM tab, and I'm going to go down into tickets. Now, a pipeline is basically just a graphic representation of your clients, your leads, and how they're going through the sales funnel, and how late in these stages they are, how close they are to being closed, etc., etc. Now, as you can see, I went into tickets, and this is pretty much what your pipeline looks like. You have a couple of tabs. You have the new tab, the waiting on contact, waiting on us, and closed. These are different stages that you can set your customers or your leads to, and you can create tickets here to create your pipeline. Now, if I go over into create ticket, I can create a ticket and then assign it to a status. I'll name the ticket test. You can add a description source if you want, as well as a priority, but the only mandatory information is the test, the ticket name, the pipeline, and the ticket status, and that is basically it. Now you can select where you want it to go. I'll select it in new, click create, and then that's going to create our ticket, just like this. Now, this is the ticket overview. This is where you can edit your ticket. However, if I go back to the tickets page, it'll be over here within the new category. Now, you can drag it over, put it wherever you want, and that is basically how you build your pipeline. Depending on the stage that they're on, you just put them there, and depending on how the process is going, they can be waiting on contact where you need to contact them. Then you can click on waiting on us if you have to send them a response, and then waiting on contact again to wait for them to contact you again, and then they can go through these stages as many times as needed until they get to the closed section, where that is pretty much it. And that is all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.